Alright, hello and welcome to today's scenario. We have a Chromebook G4 in front of us today, and I could not figure out why it wasn't booting. I checked the display cable, I tried a known good working one, it wasn't display cable, the screen wasn't showing up, I couldn't shut it down with the keyboard press with the power button, so I had to try unplugging the battery, see if it booted without it, and it did not either. So it ended up being the motherboard. If you look towards the USB ports, a lot of times the user can water damage the components, and therefore you should try unscrewing the motherboard with the battery unplugged, of course. Taking a look towards those edges, which is a lot of times where the water comes from, and if you pop it over, we can actually find some water damage on some of the components. You'll see some corrosion. Right here is a very good example. And yeah, acid's starting to corrode the motherboard and it will not boot. So that is a scenario that you could come across if there is water damage. Take a look at the USB ports and the motherboard, and you can write it off as scrapped. Be sure to salvage any spare parts and you should be good to go. That's it for today.